Welcome back to our podcast. And with me Jehan.
With me Kairis.
With me Sawa.
With me Naila.
With me Dian.
Okay.
This episode is going to be dark, chilling, and definitely beating, because we are going to talk about a name you also know, Dracula.
Okay, legendary vampire from Transylvania. But did you know Dracula isn't just an ordinary fictional character? There's history, symbolism, and even social commentary behind Bram Stoker's novel.
That's why we're going to discuss it shortly tonight. But before we go too far, did you know Bram Stoker wasn't originally a horror writer?
Okay. What think about this?
Once he was a theater manager and non-fiction writer, but it turned out he had an obsession with mystical and supernatural things, which is how a work like Dracula, published it in
1877.
Came to be.
Okay, and the character of the Dracula is said to be inspired by a real person. Vlad the Emperor and Russian prince who was notoriously cruel. He liked to imply his enemies with stakes. I think, what think about?
Imagine horror, but the novel Dracula isn't just about a blood-touching vampire. Its format is also unique. The writer, in the form of letters, journal, news report. So it's like we were pursuing together a mystery with a character.
And
It's very creepy, right?
Alright, yeah, that's like a thriller film, not just like a horror.
Okay, horror. What do you think about the Dracula? Okay, next, what is example for the Dracula?
For example, Europeans' fear of the foreign. Dracula is depicted as an Easterner coming to invade England. There's also symbolism about disease, especially sexual disease.
Okay, and let's not forget about female sexuality. The character of Lucy, after being beaten by Dracula, becomes wild and dangerous by Victorian moral standards. Bram Stoker seems to be showing the dark side of social repression. Okay.
wow, it's amazing, right?
Okay, it's amazing.
Courage in winning a horror novel can be. And have you noticed, Dracula is the origin of all modern vampire stories. Twilight, vampire theories, even anime are inspired by it.
Okay, that's right.
That's right.
And the character of Dracula himself has become a pop culture icon, from Bela Lugosi's film in 1981 to Gary Oldman's eccentric version in 1992. Sorry.
Okay, 1992.
In essence, Dracula is internal.
Okay.
He continues to live not only in stories, but also in our fears and imagination.
Okay, wow. Imagination, I think. What do you? Dracula is. What's your opinion? Is Dracula?
Dracula is not just a sign, but this written and this story who just for our hero like today and the day after we were here that films, that books, and who's the writer?
What do you watching the movie Dracula so far?
I was, but that is too long to watch this film.
Okay.
And so
What's the name of the movie or before you watching?
I was watch a film that's a cartoon film.
Okay.
Then the title is Hotel Transylvania.
Oh, okay, I
And
know
it's
that.
From I don't think so Disney or Nickelodeon.
Okay, I think it's Disney, bro.
I don't think so.
Okay.
I forgot about that
Okay.
channel. Then I like the what is that?
Okay.
Not Idol, but what member? That's a film so just for us, and that's good for kids. But there's
Oh,
a
good
age.
for kids, alright.
Alright, because
Okay.
that's a cartoon, and then
Yeah,
not that
I see.
really, not that really creepy
because
for kids.
because I'm watching too this the cartoon gitu.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And then I like this movie sih, alright. So far this movie so far so good lah. Okay.
So good one.
Okay. Then the next. Now before we close, trying to think if a Dracula appeared a present day, where do you think he show up first? TikTok or a horror podcast like ours?
Okay.
Oh no, what if he is already following this podcast from his castle is Transylvania?
Okay.
Okay.
Could be alright.
Yeah.
Nice Owl. If you enjoyed our conversation tonight,
Yeah.
don't forget to follow,
Okay.
share, and let us know what other classic horror stories you'd like to hear.
Okay.
See you in the next episode.
Yeah.
And remember, if you suddenly feel a chill down your neck, maybe Dracula is listening with you.
Okay.
Okay.
Good
Good
night.
night and sweet night,
man.
Mas.
Bye.